India recorded a sharp spike in the number of fresh coronavirus cases with 3,722 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours and 134 deaths in a day. Total positive cases in the country is now at 78,003, including 49,219 active cases, 26,235 cured or discharged or migrated cases, and 2,549 deaths according to the Ministry of Health. After Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced major developments for the micro, small and medium enterprises sectors such as collateral-free loans, more measures to give a further push to economy are expected today. She will once again brief the media at 4 p.m. 8 labourers died and over 54 suffered injuries after the truck they were travelling in was hit by a speeding bus in Madhya Pradesh's Guna earlier this morning. The incident was reported hours after 6 migrant workers were run over by a bus on a highway in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath announced a ₹2 lakh each ex gratia to next of the kin of the deceased and a compensation of ₹50,000 each to the injured. The Indian Railways has cancelled all tickets booked to travel on or before June the 30th, 2020. Refunds have been given to all tickets booked till 30th June. However, all special trains and Shramik special trains will ply as usual. The Indian Army has proposed a 3-year internship of sorts for youths, both as officers and soldiers. According to the proposal, the short voluntary tour of duty is for youths who do not want to make defence services their permanent vocation but still want to experience the thrill and adventure of military professionalism. The individual who opts for this scheme may also get preference in public sector jobs and PG courses. The World Health Organization said that the novel coronavirus may never be wiped out entirely. WHO's Emergencies Director Michael Ryan said, "We have a new virus entering the human population for the first time and therefore it is very hard to predict when we will prevail over it." Citing the example of HIV, he said, "This virus may become just another endemic virus in our communities and this virus may never go away." The coronavirus outbreak risks sparking a major global mental health crisis, the United Nations warned, calling for urgent action to address the psychological suffering brought on by the pandemic. The UN said in a policy brief that the thrust has been on protecting physical health so far, but much of the global population is under mental strain as well, which needs to be addressed.